me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video should be really short, sweet, to the point. As you can see by the title, there is a new hair care brand that is about to be amongst us. If you guys want to know more about it, who it's by, let's go. Okay, so if you guys have not heard, Cardi B is launching her own hair care brand. That is something that people have been asking her about for a good little minute. If you have not seen her natural hair, she has been pretty open about her hair care and her hair growth journey. This is what her hair looks like now. So if you go on the Instagram page, the website, stuff like that, like the promotion with her is her in her natural hair, if you want to see that, because from the Sacred launch and the Fenty hair launch, we know it's just so important to you guys to see the person's natural hair before you can purchase the product. So she heard y'all, and she's making sure a majority, if not all, of the marketing is being done in her natural hair. So the name of the brand is Grow Good. When you land on the page, it says the new old school hair care, Bronx-born classics meet 21st century science. Does it work? Yes, bitch, it does. Well, everything certainly does give, very much so, Cardi. Go to the About page. She did that. This is how I take care of my hair. Now I'm sharing it. A hair journey the world watched in real time. For years, people have followed Cardi's hair journey in real time, from the early days of breakage to years of back-to-back wigs to her homemade hair mask journey. Cardi knows what it's like to do her own hair at home on a budget. Now, with the access to better ingredients, modern science, and top stylists, she's ready to share everything she's learned about growing hair long and keeping it healthy. Inspired by the heritage rituals passed down through her Dominican family and informed by modern hair and scalp science sourced globally, Grow Good translates Cardi's personal routine into a complete wash and care system designed to support hair health and longer, fuller looking hair. Very ironic that when you land on it, hold on, how do I get back? All right. Funny that it says new old school hair care, because Cardi very much gives that. If you have paid attention to her hair care journey, it's given like everything that we used to know about hair care in the 90s, early 2000s, but like make it 2026. And there was an emphasis about having to do it on a budget, because if you have not seen any of the products, this is a pretty affordable hair care line. Let's go through the products. There is the Wash Cycle Repair Shampoo that retails for $14.99. The Soft Serve Repair Conditioner retails for $14.99. The Wash Cycle Plus Repair Shampoo, $14.99. The Soft Serve Plus Repair Conditioner, $14.99. The Get Rich Hydrating Mask, $19.99. And the last product is the Everything Serum Multifunction Serum, which retails for $17.99. So nothing was above, I have a sneeze. Ooh, excuse me. So nothing from the brand so far is above $20. I would say that's pretty affordable across the board for a hair care brand, because when it comes to recommending hair care products, there aren't that many brands that I use, I'm talking myself personally now, that I use that I could think of recommending besides TPH by Taraji P. Henson. That's pretty much around the same price range as Grow Good, and Shea Moisture is another, what I would say, like affordable-ish hair care brand. Other than that, of course, I like Sacred, but Sacred could get a little expensive, especially if you are trying to buy the entire collection from these companies so that you have a shampoo, a conditioner, a mask, a whatever it is type of thing. I would say it's more like a mid-range type brand. Pattern Beauty is also another, I would say, like mid-range type brand. I have tried a couple things now from Fenty Hair, and I would say again it's like a pretty mid-range brand. So this brand I would say is a more so affordable-ish hair care brand. So the brand officially launches on April 15th. They did have a pre-sale, which I missed out on, and I'm irritated by it, because I definitely do intend to pick something up, at least the shampoo and conditioner. I think I told you guys I want a like little silk press thing after I take these braids out. Sacred did just come out with a collection that's supposed to be like really good for silk presses as well, but one of those two will be used for my next silk press. But I definitely want to check the brand out, because like I said, she does give like old school, if you were paying attention to the stuff she was posting, old school hair care. So I definitely see in the future all the oils, the masks, all the gels, I see all of that for the brand in the future. And if it's at an affordable price, and if it's good, sounds like a win-win situation to me. So that is it for this video. Like I said, short, sweet, simple, to the point. Let me know in the comments down below if you are someone who was able to snatch it during pre-sale. She also had like a little like pop-up, you could say, of the brand, since she is on tour right now, where I believe they were selling the products at that pop-up. So if you have had the chance to try it already, I didn't actually go look on TikTok or anything like that to see if anyone's posted a review already. But if you have had the chance to try it already, let us know in the comments down below. Let us know if you intend to try this brand out. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.